How to perform gas cap maintenance on your car. Performing gas cap maintenance is an important part of maintaining your car's fuel system. A damaged or improperly installed gas cap can cause issues such as reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and even trigger the check engine light. Here are the steps to perform gas cap maintenance on your car. Inspect the gas cap. Check the gas cap for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks or missing pieces. Also, make sure the sealing gasket is in good condition and not cracked or worn. Clean the gas cap. Wipe the gas cap with a clean, dry cloth to remove any dirt, debris, or moisture. If the gas cap is very dirty, you can also wash it with soap and water. Inspect the filler neck. Check the filler neck for any debris, rust, or corrosion that could prevent the gas cap from sealing properly. Clean the filler neck. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the filler neck and remove any debris or corrosion. If the filler neck is very dirty, you can also clean it with a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Check the gas cap threads. Make sure the gas cap threads are clean and free of any debris or corrosion. If they are dirty, wipe them with a clean, dry cloth. Inspect the check valve. Some gas caps have a check valve that allows air to flow into the tank. Check the valve to make sure it is working properly and not stuck. Reinstall the gas cap. Make sure the gas cap is properly aligned with the filler neck and threaded on until it clicks. Do not over-tighten the gas cap, as this can damage the threads. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your gas cap is working properly and your car's fuel system is operating efficiently. If you notice any signs of damage or if the gas cap is not sealing properly, it may need to be replaced.